Kojic acid is a naturally derived compound that is often used in skincare products for its skin brightening and lightening properties. It is derived from several fungi species, most notably Aspergillus oryza, and is a byproduct of the fermentation process in the production of sake, soy sauce, and rice wine. Kojic acid is a popular alternative to other skin brightening agents, like hydroquinone, as it is considered milder and less likely to cause irritation or side effects in most individuals. Mechanism of action: Kojic acid functions as a skin brightening agent by inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of our skin, hair, and eyes. The primary mechanism of action involves blocking an enzyme called tyrosinase, which is essential for melanin synthesis. By inhibiting tyrosinase, Kojic acid reduces the production of melanin, leading to a lighter and more even skin tone. Benefits for skin brightening: hyperpigmentation reduction. Kojic acid is particularly effective in reducing various forms of hyperpigmentation, such as age spots, sunspots, melasma, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation (PIH), caused by acne or skin injuries. By suppressing melanin production, it helps fade these dark spots, leading to a more uniform complexion. Even skin tone. Regular use of Kojic acid can help even out skin tone, making it an excellent choice for individuals dealing with uneven pigmentation or blotchy skin. Brightening effect. Apart from addressing specific dark spots, Kojic acid provides an overall brightening effect to the skin, resulting in a more radiant and youthful appearance. Antioxidant properties. Kojic acid also possesses antioxidant properties, helping to neutralize free radicals that can contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Mild exfoliation. In addition to its pigment-reducing properties, Kojic acid also has mild exfoliating effects. It can help slough off dead skin cells, promoting a smoother and more refined skin texture. Complementary effects. Kojic acid can be used in combination with other skin brightening agents, such as vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, to enhance its efficacy and overall results. Usage and precautions. When using Kojic acid products, it's essential to follow the instructions provided and not exceed the recommended concentration. Higher concentrations may lead to skin irritation and potential side effects. Individuals with sensitive skin or allergies should perform a patch test before applying Kojic acid products to the entire face. As with any skin brightening agent, it is crucial to apply sunscreen daily while using Kojic acid. Since melanin protects the skin from harmful UV rays, its reduction may make the skin more susceptible to sun damage and hyperpigmentation if not adequately protected. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals should consult with their healthcare provider before using products containing Kojic acid, as its safety during these periods has not been extensively studied. Conclusion: Kojic acid is a widely used and effective skin brightening agent known for its ability to reduce hyperpigmentation and promote a more even and radiant complexion. When used correctly and in combination with other skincare practices, Kojic acid can be a valuable addition to a skincare routine to address specific pigmentation issues and maintain overall skin health. However, as with any new skincare product, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist or skincare professional to determine if Kojic acid is suitable for your individual skin type and concerns.